This is actually a lot bigger than it looks in the pictures. Absolutely no whine whatsoever. This kit offers the highest level of rotor sound within the cabin due to the direct path from the inlet to the firewall. Hell yeah. Everything is buttoned up, and I believe we're done. Oh my lord, it is definitely loud. Like I said, it's really cool to hear that actual supercharger whine. But I want to give a big thanks again to Sean Foster at FosterSCMods. He's got this kit for a bunch of different blowers. It's not just for the Roush blower that's on this car. So be sure you go check him out. I'm gonna go drive around and listen to this thing whine some more.